Hello everyone! Today we will talk about transform tools in GIMP. So these are the tools that use mainly to alter or transform the appearance of the image or a particular part of an image. And each tool has an option and information dialog that help you set parameters. So for you to be able to see the different transform tools in GIMP, all you have to do is simply click the Tools tab and then click transform. And then these are the different transform tools that you can be able to use if you want to alter or transform your image in GIMP. Okay, let us try first the align tool. So align tool can be seen again when you click the tools tab, transform tools, and then align. So align tool is used to align or arrange layer and other objects. So the shortcut key for this is letter Q. So the first thing to do for you to be able to align your image is simply click it first. Okay, so once you click it, you can now choose any alignment from your tools option. So you can choose this one, align left, align right. Okay, so again, any of these can help you align your image in a canvas. Okay? Next is the move tool. So again, you go to tools, transform tools, move tool, or you can have it also in the tools toolbox. So this is the move tool. Okay? So the shortcut key for this is M, and then this tool is used to move or change the position of the layer, selection, paths, guides, and text in a canvas. So let's try it. Okay, so let's move this one here. Okay, so again, you can, using the move tool, you can be able to reposition or move your image in a canvas. Okay, so let's have now crop tool. Crop tool is used to crop, remove edge areas from an image or a layer. So you can now go back again to Tools tab, then Transform Tools, then Crop. So the shortcut key for crop tool is Shift C rather. Okay, so you press Shift and then letter C in your keyboard. Okay, so let's now crop this one. For example, you want to have this part only of your picture. So you just select that part, and then once you already satisfied with that part of the image, you can now press enter. So once you press enter, this part, the highlighted part, will be the part that will remain in your canvas. So I will now press enter for us to crop the car. Okay, so that is the crop tool in GIMP. Okay, so let's have now the rotate tool. Rotate tool, the shortcut key for it is Shift, then R. So let's go to Tools, Transform Tools, and then Rotate. So again, the shortcut key for this is Shift R. So this rotate tool is used to rotate a layer, selection, or a path. Okay, so once you click it, you can have his option dialog. So you can rotate the picture by using your mouse, okay, like this. Or if you like, you can just slide this bar, the angle bar, for you to be able to rotate your image. Okay, so once you are done, you just simply click the rotate button. But if you want to readjust, simply click this readjust and then reset if you want to reset it. Okay? So let's now click rotate so that the rotation that we have made will be applied in our picture or image. Okay, so let's now have scale tool. Scale tool, the shortcut key for it is Shift then letter S. So it is used to scale layers, selection, or path. So let's click Tools tab, Transform Tools, and Scale. So again, the shortcut key for it is Shift then S. So once you click it, option dialog will appear. So as you can see, it has many edges, square edges, right? Or square handle. So once you click it or drag it, so you can be able to resize the width and the height at the same time. Okay, so another option for that is by typing your desired width number and height number here. Okay, but if you want to do it using your mouse, you just simply drag it like this and like that. Okay, so if you want to apply this scale to your picture, simply click the scale button and then readjust if you want to readjust it, and then reselect if you want to reset it. And then since I want this scale to be applied with my image, I will now click scale button, or I will just simply press enter. Okay. Okay, let's have now shear tool. So shear tool is used to shape one part of an image, a layer, or a selection, or even a path to a direction and the other part to the opposite direction. So the shortcut key for this is shift then letter H. So let's go to tools, transform tools, then shear. So once you click share, you can have it option dialog. So for you to be able to use it, simply click this part of the image. Okay. And then you can do it like this. So you can also do it in the lower part of the corner. Okay. So let's say you want to have this, you want to apply this shear to your image. So simply click the shear button or press enter in your keyboard. Okay, so your image will become like this. Okay, next is perspective tool, or shortcut key is shift then letter P. So this tool is used to change the perspective of the layer, selection, or path. So let's go back to tools tab, transform tools, and then perspective. Again, shortcut key for this is shift then letter P. So, as you can see, I have here a diamond handle, right? So, it allows me to change the perspective of the image. So, I will just drag this diamond handle like this. Okay? So, it depends on you on how are you going to alter or transform the image using this tool. So, if you want to apply this transformation to your image, simply click the transform tool or press the enter key in your keyboard. So see, so this is what happened if you apply the perspective that I have done with this picture a while ago. Okay, let's have now 3D transform tool. So 3D transform tool, it is used to change the perspective of a layer and move it in a 3D space. So the shortcut key for this is shift then W. So let's click tools tab, transform tools, and then 3D transform or shift W. So once you click it, you can now drag or click the picture so that it will be transformed into a 3D transformation. Okay, so like that. So it's up to you how are you going to transform your picture as 3D or with a 3D effect. Okay, so if you are satisfied with it or if you are okay with it, simply click the transform button so that the transformation that you have made will be applied in your image. Okay, let's have now the unified transform tool, or also known as Shift T. So this tool is used to transform the layer, selection, or path. So it is a combination of several tools like rotate, scale, shear, and perspective. It can perform one or several actions at once in a single operation. So let's try it. So let's go to tools, or you just simply press Shift T if you like. Okay, and then transform tools, and then unified tools. So again, the shortcut key for this is Shift T. So as you can see different kinds of handles. We have here diamond, square, and then a combination of square and a diamond. So let's try this first. So this one is for scale. So it can help you change the scale of your image. And then this one, okay, the perspective, okay, can help you share your picture. So like that. So again, if you want to apply this transformation to your image, simply click the transform button or press enter. Okay, so next is handle transform tool, or um, shortcut key for this is Shift then letter L. So this tool is used to deform the layer selection or path with handle. So let's try it. So let's click tools, transform tools, and then handle. So I will just place my cursor here, and then after that I will just simply drag the handle. Okay, so as you can see, you can be able to transform it by using the handle. Okay, so if you want to have it like here, so you can do it also. Okay, so if you want to apply this transformation to your picture or image, again, simply click the transform button or press enter. So that's for the handle transform tool in GIMP. Okay, so let's have now flip tool. So flip tool is used to reverse the layer selection or path horizontally or vertically. So the shortcut key for this is Shift then letter F. So let's click now Tools tab, transform tools, and then flip. So again, the shortcut key for this is Shift F. So once you click this one, or the shift tool, or the flip tool rather, you can have its two-headed arrow. So once you click your mouse, the direction of the image uh will be changed. Okay, like that. Okay, so that is the flip tool. Okay. Okay, let's now have cage tool. So the shortcut key for this is Shift then letter G. So it is used to deform the selection by cage. So let's try it. So let's click tools, transform tools, and then cage transform or Shift G. So for you to be able to transform your tool using cage tool, you need to um, do this. Okay. After this, so you cage your image. Okay, so after this, simply press enter so that the cage transform will be applied to your image. And then after that, you just simply place your mouse over the handles or anchors, and then try to move it in a different direction so that the cage tool will be able to deform your image like what I'm doing. Sorry. Okay. So that is the cage tool. So it is used to deform the selection by cage. So again, if you want to apply this to your image, the the transformations that you have made using the cage tool, simply click the enter button or enter key in your keyboard. So this is now your image after using the cage tool. Okay, for the last, we have warp transform. So it is used to deform selection with different tools. So let's try it. So let's go to tools, transform tools, and then warp. So the shortcut key for this is W. Okay, so let's try to warp our image. So just simply brush any part of the image that you want to warp. Okay, like this. Okay, it's look like a flat tire. Okay, so you can do this also if you like. Okay, So again, this is the warp transform tools in GIMP. So it is used to deform selection with different tools. So those are the different transform tools in GIMP. So I hope after watching these videos, you can be able to transform or alter your photos easily and effectively to make them look more creative and amazing. So thank you and have a nice day.